This video demo is meant to demonstrate the Chargent Base package. Chargent Base is used to communicate with our multiple payment gateways. You see here that we've loaded multiple gateways here from AuthorizeNet to PayFlow Pro as well as ePDQ. A gateway typically consists of a merchant ID and a security key. PayFlow Pro also supports an additional field called a merchant reference. You see here that the information is stored in encrypted fields. You can turn gateways on and off. The reason we support multiple gateways is to provide routing through multiple payment mechanisms. You have the ability to put a gateway into test mode, which will send the transactions to the test server, as well as the debug mode. So let's go ahead and put this gateway into debug mode and show you an example of that. So we'll come over to a transaction. You see that on our opportunity record we look up to a specific gateway. If we only have one active gateway, we can of course leave this blank and it will use the default active gateway. But in the event that you have multiple active gateways, you just specify that using the lookup. You come in and make sure that your payment information is set up correctly. Now again, we are in debug mode, so when I click authorize, it's asking us to void the transaction we've already approved. So I'll delete this out just to show you how quickly and easily this can be done. We click authorize and we get the full debug list, the raw response and request being sent to the gateway and back. Okay, we'll delete that transaction. We'll put the gateway out of debug mode. We'll come back here. Here it is. We'll leave it in test mode, but we'll take it out of debug mode. Come back to that opportunity. You can see how quickly all these changes are made. We authorize, and there we go. We get an approval. So that's how the gateway object works. The gateway object is common to all variations of Chargent. Whether you're using cases, opportunities, or the custom orders package, you will have a gateways tab built into your Chargent application. Most customers will only have one, and all you have to do is select what type of gateway you're using. Here we'll choose PayFlow Pro, and you'll be prompted to enter the appropriate information. We have handy little guides that tell you what the field names are for each of the different gateways.